Hello everyone, welcome back to this lecture in which we are going to study about the coefficient of volume compressibility that is indicated by MV, and this is actually an important term when you are studying about the consolidation of soil. So what is MV? MV, or the coefficient of volume compressibility, tells you about that how much volume is compressed or how much volume is reduced with respect to the increase in effective stress in the soil. But yes, if you want to define it mathematically, then you can simply say that is nothing but that is a volumetric strain, that is change in volume with respect to the original volume per unit change in the effective stress. Now, see, if you remember that as for the consolidation is 1D, what you have said that for 1D consolidation, the soil is one dimensional and the volumetric strain, that is del V by V naught, is nothing but that is the strain in the vertical direction, that is equals to be the delta H upon H naught also. So here you can simply say that this is nothing but this is equals to be delta H by H naught upon delta sigma dash also. Now, as you remember that this delta H by H naught is nothing but that is the strain in vertical direction. So here I can simply say that strain in vertical direction, strain in vertical direction is in the numerator, whereas the denominator is having the change in effective stress. So this is exactly the definition of a volume compressibility. Now let us understand that the volume of a soil is nothing but that is the summation of volume of solids and volume of voids, which can be written down as the volume of solids into 1 plus E. Now, if I ask you that what is the initial volume, then that will be equals to be the volume of solids into 1 plus E naught. Whereas the final volume of soil will be equals to be the volume of solids into 1 plus final void ratio, and the change in volume will be nothing but that will be equals to be the initial volume minus the final volume, and that will be equals to be 1 plus E naught minus 1 plus E F, and that will be equals to be Vs into del E. So here you have the expression for change in volume and also the initial volume. Let us put this here. So finally you can also write down that del V by V naught as equals to be delta E into volume of solids upon 1 plus E naught into volume of solids. Now if you cancel out this here volume of solids, then the term will be equals to be delta E upon 1 plus E naught. Now, if you use this relation in the formula of MV, you will get another formula of MV as equals to be delta E upon 1 plus E naught into delta sigma dash. So, this is another formula of MV. Now, again, you know that this delta E upon delta sigma dash is nothing but that is EV. So if you put this here, then the another formula for MV will come up here as EV upon 1 plus E naught. So this is the formula and even the definition of MV. Now, if you remember that we have defined the coefficient of consolidation, that is CV, and that CV was nothing but that is K into 1 plus E divided by AV gamma W. Now here you can see that EV upon gamma W is nothing but this is equals to be MV. That means here you can say that CV is nothing but that is equals to be K upon mv gamma w. And yes, this is actually the formula that you have used even to derive or to calculate the value of a permeability of a soil. And that was k equals to be mv gamma w into cv. So that is your indirect method to determine the permeability of soil. Now, you have studied about the coefficient of volume compressibility, that is one term in the Terzaghi theory. You also have to study some more terms that are present in the equation of Terzaghi theory of 1D primary consolidation. So let us move ahead to the another terms in our next lecture. Till then, keep learning, keep growing.